Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open slots on Setmore. If you're not familiar with Setmore, it's a scheduling and booking software that's perfect for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use and it has a lot of great features, including the ability to open slots for your availability. So, let's get started. How to open slots on Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Calendar tab. Click on the Add Availability button. Select the date and time that you want to open slots for. Select the number of slots that you want to open. Click on the Save button. That's it. You've successfully opened slots on Setmore. Additional tips. You can also open slots for specific services or categories. You can set different availability rules for different days of the week or times of the day. You can allow clients to book multiple slots at once. You can send clients an email notification when you open up new slots. Opening slots on Setmore is a great way to make sure that you're available to see your clients. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Setmore. Thanks for watching.